Hey Justin, where are we?
Oh, we're here in Oregon at the beautiful Tulip Festival.
What? Holy cow.
Hey Kayla, where are you?
Hi. Just smelling the tulips.
Sicko. Hey.
Hey! So we just finished up at the Tulip Festival. It was amazing. The weather's perfect. We're gonna go look at some waterfalls after we get some lunch.
Kayla's getting to Waterfalls.
And I'm really hot right now.
Alright, let's roll. Silver Falls, and we're gonna hit up the North Falls. First, we're gonna check out the play zone. North Falls. Pretty sweet.
We made it!
Made it.
It's so loud. Alright, this is the end of our excursion. It's been a lot of fun.
Super fun.
Yeah.
We didn't realize how big Silver Falls was and how much there is to do here, so we'll be back.
And come visit Oregon. Woo!
Yeah.